So there are 2 points A and B are on the earth, and we have to find their angle between them. So we will use bearing for finding their angles, and for finding angle, we use their reference line. So reference line we use for finding bearing is north and south line. Okay. So there are two types of bearing. One is fore bearing and one is back bearing. When we are finding a bearing from B from A means we are finding the bearing of this B point according to this A point. Then the bearing will be from the north line is, this is the north line. Then according to this, we will find this angle, and this will be 52. This bearing we call as fore bearing. Okay, so it is always in clockwise direction. And if we have to find the back bearing, means we have to back bearing of B to A from B. This is B from A. This bearing is B from A. B from A is 52. And when we have to find the bearing from A from B, then it will be, we will add, this is the, then we will use this line, okay? This north-south line. Then this is the bearing and this is the line. So we have to go to this line. So this line will be up to 180 plus 52. Okay, this is 52. So this one is also 52. So we will add this 180 and also 52. So it becomes 232 bearing. Okay, this we call as a back bearing, and this we call as a fore bearing. Okay, so if we are finding the bearing of B from A, it is fore bearing. And if we are finding the bearing of A from B is back bearing. Is it clear? Yes. Is it clear?
Yes. Could you explain one more time?
Sorry?
Could you explain one more time?
Okay. Let we have 2 point. These are 2 point A and B. We have to find the bearing of B from A. Bearing of B from A means bearing of this point from A. So we will find the bearing from north to this line. North to this line. So if the angle is given, then we can use that angle. But if there is no angle is given, we use protractor to find this bearing. But here angle is given, so we will use this angle, that is 52 bearing. Okay. So this is a bearing of B, point B from point A. Now we are finding the bearing of A from B. Means this A from this B point. So from B point, we will also make a reference line, that is a north and south line. And from this point, we will start from north to this line. Okay. So if this line is 52, then this angle is, if this angle is 52, then this angle is also 52. Then if we will add, if we will complete round this angle from this angle, means this complete angle, so this becomes 180, a straight angle, line angle on a straight line, and also 52 straight line angle, that is 180 plus 52. Okay, this angle, this straight line angle, this straight line angle, this straight line angle, and also the angle that is above the straight line. So this angle and this angle we will add, and it becomes back bearing from point A from B. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. So similarly, we have to find if the bearing of this is a lighthouse and this is a ship. So for ship, if we have to find the lighthouse bearing from a ship, is that is given 52. But if we have to find the bearing of ship, bearing of this lighthouse from this ship is, we will use that back bearing, this back bearing. Okay. So this will be 180 plus
Yeah.
65. So this will be back bearing. Okay, let we start from the exercise. Exercise 10.3, 10.2b. A fishing boat F and cargo ship C leave port P at the same time. The fishing boat sails 25 kilometer on the bearing of 40 degree, and the cargo ship sails 30 kilometer on the bearing of 320 degree. How far apart are the ships? Okay. Now let we make our shape according to the given information. A fishing boat F and a cargo ship leave port P. So this is a port P, P port. Now here the fishing boat sails 25 kilometer on the bearing of, okay, so it's mean it's going to this side, because here if we will make the bearing of here at point P, it should be 40. So we can make its 40 degree angle. At 40 degree angle, we will make a line, that is a line of the fishing boat, and it is also 25 kilometer away. And we will denote it by F because it is a fishing boat and cargo ship. Fishing boat on a bearing of 40 degree, and the cargo ship sails 30 kilometer on a bearing of 320. Okay, so it's mean at the same point, they are living at the same point. So one uh, cargo ship, it's also living at the same point at the bearing of 320. So it's mean if we will take the bearing of this line, this cargo ship, this will start from this line to this line. So up till this quadrant, it will be 270. Okay, 270. And the upper one becomes complete 220 degree. Is it clear? So
Yes.
this point C, that is a cargo ship, that is at the bearing of 320 degree. Now, and cargo ship says 30 kilometer. Now it moves 30 kilometer on the bearing of 320. How far apart are the ships? So it's mean we have to find the distance between these ships. This distance we have to find. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
So question is that two ships, one is cargo ship, one is fishing boat. They are leaving point P. They are leaving point P. One fishing boat is moving to the angle 40 degree, but its distance from this point P is 25 kilometer. Okay, it's moving to at 40 degree angle, and the other cargo ship, that is its bearing is 320 degree, and it's moving on the other side. So it covers the distance 30 kilometers. So how far apart are the ships? Means we have to find this distance. Means this is a boat, this is a cargo ship. So we have to find the distance between them. Okay, first of all, uh, there are two Side lengths are given. Two side lengths are given. Angle between these two side length is given, but that is half angle. Okay, now erase this. Wait, this one. Okay, so this half angle is given 40. But if we will find this angle too, then we can apply easily cosine rule. Okay, so we have to find this missing angle that is in purple line. This one, this not with this. Better to use this line. Okay, if we will find this angle, then this complete angle we will get, and we can apply cosine rule, because for cosine rule, if two side lengths are given of the triangle and included angle is given, then we can apply easily cosine rule. So how we can find this angle? We can find this angle by subtracting only this angle, 320 angle, from 360. So 360 minus 320 will be, its mean it is 40 angles. So this angle is also 40. Okay, this angle is also 40. So total angle becomes, this total angle becomes 80. 40 plus 40, 80. Now we can add easily, we can apply now easily cosine rule. So what is cosine rule? Cosine rule is, uh, this opposite side we have to find. This opposite side we have to find. So it's mean this side, if I will use, it is small p, I will use, this is small c, and this one is small f. Then p square is equal to c square f square minus 2cf cos p. Okay. So what is the value of these all length? P value is, we have to find P. C value is 25 square. F value is 30 square. 2, 25 and 30 and cos 80. Use your calculator and find this value. हाँ जी, यहाँ तक clear है? Yes, is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. कोसाइन रूल हमेशा आपने याद रखना है कि व्हेन वी हैव टू साइड लेंथ्स आर गिवन एंड इंक्लूडेड एंगल इज गिवन, मींस दी साइड लेंथ आर गिवन लाइक ए, I'm writing it's 10 and it is 7, and this angle is included angle, that is 45. So we can easily apply cosine rule and find its opposite side length. Okay, so it will
Yeah.
be 25 square plus 30 square minus,
Miss, the answer would be 35.5 after taking the square root.
yes, it is 35.5. 35.5. That will be also in kilometer. So it is 35 point. 35.5. 35.5. Okay. Yes. Yes, Fatma, Rumisa, Saika. Clear है? आगे चलें?
Yeah.
Okay, now question number 4 is, yes, Fatma, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, two honeybees, A and B, leave the hive at the same time. A flies 27 meter due south, and B flies 9 meter on bearing of 111. How far apart they now? Okay, two honeybees. Okay, let we take a hive that is H. So A and B at the same time they are leaving. Now honeybee A is moving to the south position. So it is south. This one is north. Okay. That is a honeybee A. It's moving to north position. Let me this is H. This one is north, north and south. I don't know. Okay, so this B is moving to the south, and also it covers the distance 27 kilometer. Oh, sorry, meter, 27 meter. And B flies 9 meter on a bearing of 11. Okay, B it's moving from the same height at the bearing of 111. So this one is 90, this complete 90. So this total becomes 111. B, bearing B. Oh, sorry, honey bee, B. Now, how far apart are they now? Means we have to find the distance between these two honeybee now. Okay. So its distance from the hive is 9 meter. Now two side lengths are given. If we will find this middle angle, if we will find this angle, we can easily apply cosine rule. How we can find? If I will subtract 111 from 180, because on the line here, on the line, this angle is 111, right? So we can find this angle by subtracting 111 from 180. So what it will be? I think it's 69. This angle becomes 69. So 69 plus 111 becomes 180. So this will be 69. Is it clear?
Yes.
111 plus 69 will be 180, means line angle at the line will be now 180. Now we can apply cosine rule. What we have to find, this is H, so this we can take A. H, this we can take small b, this we can take small a. So it's mean we have to find H. H square, A square plus B square minus 2AB and cos H. So A square is 9 square, 27 square minus 2, 9, 27. And H angle, internal angle of the triangle is 69. Then find this form, this value and take its square root. So what will be the answer?
It could be 25.2.
25.2.
2.
So it's mean distance between both honeybees are is 25.2 meter. Okay. Okay, now question number 6. Is it clear? This question is clear.
Yeah.
On the last hole of the golf course, the distance from the tee to the hole is 9195. A golfer hits his ball from the tee a distance of 170 meter, but his shot is directed 10 degree away from the true line to the hole. Find the distance between the hole and his ball where it lands. Okay, now here bearing is not given. What we can do now? Now golfer here, he hits the ball 170 meter, and its angle from to the hole is 10. It's given. So this is hole, and he hits the ball, and it's moving to the this side, that is 170 meter. This is a ball. Now we have to find this distance, and this distance from the t means this here, t to the hole is 195. Okay, t means where he is standing, this golfer, he stands at this position, and he is using t for hitting the ball, and he hit the ball at 170 meter, and with the angle of 10 degree, and now the ball is at this position, and here is a hole, and we have to find the distance between the hole and the ball. Okay, now everything is clear. We have a triangle, this side length given, this side length given, and also angle between these two sides is also given, so we can easily apply cosine rule. So if we will take, this is a small t, that is I am going to take h and b, that is the distance between. So what I have to take, 8 g, g or t, we can take anything, golfer or t. So this distance g or t is distance between hole and his ball where it lands. Okay, this one. Apply cosine rule. According to cosine rule, if I'm going to find the length of HB, that is we are going to denote by G or T. So it will be this is small h, this is small b. So h square plus b square minus 2hb cos cos t or g, because this is the golfer or t point, so it is, this is also g square. So h square is 170 square, b square is 195 square minus 2, 170 and 195 and cos 10. Find this and take,
Gonna be 40.4.
yes, it's correct. Its answer is 40.4 meter. Is it in meter? Yes, it is in meter. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, Rumisa and Fatma. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now from point A, point B lies 11 kilometer away on the bearing of 41 degree. And point C lies 8 kilometer away on the bearing of 341. Find the distance between B and C and the bearing of B from C. Bearing of B from C. Okay, this question is a little bit lengthy, so we will not able to complete in this time. We have only 2 minutes. Okay, so better to solve this question in next class. Okay, this is lengthy question. It will take some time. So if you have any confusion in these question, we can discuss in these three questions. Yes. Yes, do you have any confusion?
Mm.
एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं इसकी. 343, this one. A ship sails from, yes, can you see the board? Book.
Yeah.
A ship sails from a port P from a distance of 7 kilometer on the bearing is 306, and then further 11 kilometer on the bearing of 70 to arrive at X. Calculate the direction between uh, from P to X. P to X, this one. So this one we have to find, that is 7 kilometer. A ship sails from point P, means this point P it's moving and its bearing is, this is 306. Here it is not clear, but its bearing will be like this. At point here, if we will take bearing, then this bearing will be 306, this one up to this point.